In this demo, we are going to see how we can set up a console application. You will see that it is going to be very easy. We'll first need to create a new application named Globomentics Service Console. Then, we'll configure the application with a proper utility bar and test it out. So, let's get going. So in order to set up a console, what we need to do is first access the setup menu in order to access the application settings. So let's click on the setup menu, and from there we will find the application manager under the apps tab, app manager. We'll be able to create a new application by clicking the new Lightning app button. From there, we can set all of the details of this application. Let's name it Globomentics Service Console. We could add a description, we can add an image as well, and we can change its color. So let's put a nice orange. And don't forget to press Done when you're done. And you can use the same color so that it displays everywhere in the interface. Let's press Next. Here we need to select its style. Of course, this will be console. We are going to use a service setup and not the full setup for this one. And we press Next. Here we can add items to our utility bar. Let's add a few. We'll first use the history item. We'll also add the macros and the notes. This is going to make our user's life way more easy. Let's press Next. Now here we need to select which tabs are going to show. So let's select a few. We're going to select Accounts, Calendar, Cases. Then we are going to select Contacts, Dashboards, Email Templates, Files, Quick Text, Reports, Tasks, and Today. So all of those will show in our list in the app. Let's press Next. Now here we need to select which objects will make the main tabs and which objects will make the sub-tabs. So Case will be a sub-tab under Accounts, Contacts as well. And then as for Tasks and Events, we are going to make them sub-tabs of whatever the object is above them. And let's press Next. Now let's select our profile so that we can test it, System Administrator in our case. And let's press Save and Finish. Now let's test this out. To switch to the console, let's search for the console from the App Launcher. And there we go. You can see that the interface now changed, our nice orange color shows. And we can test it out. So we can click on this account, School District 14, in order to open it in a tab. Now you will see the list view on the left shows the accounts and the list view we have selected for accounts, but we can switch from this view to Cases by clicking on Cases. Now we show Cases and we can click on them. This one opens as a main tab because it has no accounts linked to it. But if we open the second one, which has got an account linked to it, you can see that the account opens up as a main tab and the case opens up as a sub-tab. We can switch from all those records very easily under the account itself. So as you can tell, this is extremely useful and this will really make your user's life way more productive. Well done! You now know how to set up a console application in Salesforce.